Can't remember the pattern? Don't worry, we have the solution. First of all, switch off your phone. After switching it off, press these 3 buttons simultaneously. If your phone doesn't have a physical home button, press volume up, volume down and power key simultaneously. Now your phone will boot into something called recovery mode. Here you'll see these options. Scroll down with volume button and select the wipe data/factory reset option with the power button.